Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu replied that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had said, "We don't have any inheritor, but whatever we leave is alms. Muhammad's progeny will eat out that very property, Allah's property, but will not take more than need. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not make any amendment in expanding the property given as alms by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam as it was expended during his reign, and I will do what he sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to do." Then Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu also came and he said, "O Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, we recognize your excellence." And he then mentioned his kinship with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his right. Whereupon Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "By him in whose possession my soul is, I prefer to do the kins of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam good to my own kins." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3712.